Dear Karya Siddhi Kriya Yoga students, yesterday due to Guru Poornima, you sent many wishes to me and Vishwa Poornima Yoga Centre. Thank you so much. Even until 11:30 p.m. students in our home, they are celebrated Guru Poornima here. Shortly in next month, August month, I am going to start Advanced Karya Siddhi Kriya Yoga program. That name is Money. Weekly once, evening 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Sometimes you are not able to attend. Lifetime recordings available to you. Make use of this program. In this program, I am trying to you abundance related to health, wealth, prosperity, or what you want. This program includes many aspects of life. Can't imagine power of this program. One more thing is all the money earned from this program we will use to construct spiritual center. Now offer is going on. Kindly get registered as early as possible. We will bring abundance to you and your family. An extraordinary program. Don't miss this opportunity. Not only you, share this message to your friends, relatives, family members. All together get registered. Once again, thank you so much.